no entry.
So this morning we're going to try and get out to Parrot Rock, which is an island just here off Mirissa Beach. You have to do a little bit of a crossing over a small channel. Let's see if we can do it.
Our target, Parrot Rock. We want to get up to the top. All right, let's go, team. How do we get out? I'm carrying extra precious cargo. Let's go. Good work, Jack. You telling me you're scared when you're getting a shoulder ride out to Parrot Rock? Woo! Well, the tide is on the way out, so it'll be lower on the way back.
Got upset and now I'm doing fine. And I come home and I come down.
Can I hold your hand or are you okay?
I had you,
In fairness, there's a decent drop on either side.
honey. Summer breaks, winter storms. I don't.
So we've made it out to Parrot Rock, which is a beautiful little landmark of Mirissa. From here we can see the beach that we've been bodyboarding at, Coconut Tree Hill we enjoyed last night. I'm sure around the other side we could probably see Petty as well. It's a great little spot just to come and reflect about the holiday that we've just had.
Honey.